Today's backyard tip will be if you have an area like, for example, where you have your swimming pool and you need a little privacy, you could put a nice short fence up in front of it. And then also some other summertime tips too, like tiki torches. For instance, this fence I put up, it nicely blocks the swimming pool from view, giving the area a little bit of privacy. And there's the pool, and then the gazebo behind that from my earlier video. Now back to the fence here. If you notice, I put a tiki torch here. That little block of wood is a 2x3, and I cut two of those 14 inches in length, drilled a 3/4 inch hole through there to support the stake, then just put a small screw in there to hold it in place. This will hold up very well all summer long. Also did the same thing as I mentioned on the opposite side. The fence here, I went with regular lumber, and I used 2x4s, as you can see there, all the way down. Put the 4x4 post in the ground, and as I mentioned too in an earlier video, instead of using concrete, what I did was I put gravel in to the hole to help support the fence. And it's pretty solid, very stable, as you can see, and it will hold up well. In addition to that, I used the regular individual boards, and then used another board as a spacer all the way down the line. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.